Hi, I'm Bogala Vinod Reddy and I'm from the IAR Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today my subject is linear algebra and calculus, and today my topic is non-homogeneous terms of a types f of x equals to e power k into x if k equals to 0. And first definition for the non-homogeneous. General solution for the non-homogeneous equation. Definition: let yp be the given solution of the non-homogeneous linear and nth order differential equation and on interval I and left. Let's yc equals to y1 yc let yc equals to y2 v2 of x plus c2 y2 of x plus cn yn of x, and this is the general form of n. General solution for non-homogeneous equation denotes the general solution for the associated non-homogeneous equation of the intervals, and the general solution of the non-homogeneous equation on the intervals defined to be y equals to c1 y1 of x plus c2 y2 of x plus c3 y3 of x plus so on plus cn yn of x plus yp of x, then equals to yc of x plus yp of x equals to general solution equals to y. Definition: non-homogeneous in the differential equation. Differentiation: in a non-homogeneous in differential equation, the general solution y equals to yp plus yc, where the yp is a partial integral, and the where yc equals to complementary function. And non-homogeneous is a differential equation where the yp's for the main formulas is where roots are real and distinct, that y equals to y1 e power y1 c power. Your general solution, the roots are real and distinct, so y equals to yc c equals to complementary functions, thus yc equals to c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x, where m1 m2 m3 are so on mn are the roots of the given equation, where the roots are real. Two roots are equal and the two are non-equal, and formula yc equals to c1 plus c2 c1 plus c2x of e power m1x plus c3 e power x, where the two roots are equal, c1 and c2 being a common and the e power m1x is being common, and make. And third point, m1 m2 are the real and the three roots are equal. If three roots are equal, e power m1x taken as common, and the c1 plus c2 x plus c2 x square be in the bracket, and two roots are complementary as real and the other one is the complex distinct. The yc equals to e power x where the two roots are equal in the form of complex roots are in form of a lambda plus I beta, where yc equals to e power lambda x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x plus c3 e power m1x, where m1x is a real and the e power lambda x are the complex root number. This is the formula for the yc, and so on. If the roots are complex, then yc equals to e power ax of c1 plus c2 x of cos beta x. And next point, homogeneous. Non-homogeneous in the differential equation definition. Here the for yc equals to y, where the yp equals to q of x by f of d. This is the formula for the yp, where the p is the partial differentiation, partial integral, where the example, where the given question is d square plus 3d square plus 3d plus 2 d square plus 3d plus 2 into y, where this is equals to e power x. This is the form of f of d into y. F of d into y equals to q of x, where the we find out the first for the f of d, we find the roots for the f of d, where the f of d equals to f of m. Let the m square plus 3m plus 2 equals 0, and the roots are minus 1 and minus 2. The roots are real, and then the solution for the yc equals to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 2x, and yp equals to partial integral, where the formula equals to q of x by f of d. where f of d equals to d square plus 3d plus 2. This can be written as, for, for example, where e power 0x by d square plus 3. This is the form yp, and the formula is e power a into x, where the d equals to a, and there is e power 0x, where in a in the position of a it is equals to 0, and the 1 by 3. Let's yp equals to 1 by 2. This is the formula, and the general solution of the yc plus yp, where the y equals to c1 e power minus x minus 1 into x, where the minus 1 is the root of the given equation of yc, and plus c2 e power minus 2x minus 2 is another root. This is also real, that's why this is the formula from yc, and the plus 1 by 2 for yp. And thank you for giving this opportunity from the ARE. Thank you to all for listening this. Bye friends.